The new and improved AI Interaction Builder has now been released. If you haven't used it before, this is what the icon looks like. Let's have a look at what it looks like when you're in your course. If you click on the course you're working on, and you'll see in the page when you click on the text, you can see the floating toolbar at the top and the AI Interaction Builder. It's also where it was before. Click on Actions and the AI Interaction Builder at the top. Now you can use the existing page content, or you can now guide it with your own descriptions, your ideas of the interactive element that you want your viewers to see in your course and engage with. When ready, click on the Proceed button. Now, of course, branding is really important. So what you're also able to do is select the background color and the primary color according to the color palette of your mini course. Using code which is visible, it'll create the interactive element for you, and you can even iterate and change and improve what's on the screen in front of you. When ready, click Use this interaction and it'll place it in your mini course there. Let's click the preview button to see what it looks like. Here's my course, click Start Course, and here's my interactive element, which gives my viewers or my learners something to really focus on, which means that they're really engaged in my course. We can't wait to see the kinds of activities that you're going to create in your courses.